Use a small Allen wrench or a thin bent wire to carefully clear mineral deposits from rim jets and siphon holes without removing the toilet. Start by shutting off the water and flushing to empty the bowl as much as possible, then remove remaining water with a sponge so you can see and access the rim jets and the siphon jet at the bowl base. Inspect the rim holes with a bright light. If deposits are white, chalky, and brittle, you can usually loosen them mechanically, but if they are glassy and hard, you will need a mild acid soak first. For mechanical removal, choose the smallest hex wrench that fits comfortably into a rim hole and gently scrape in a circular motion. If the fit is too tight, step up only one size to avoid cracking porcelain. A straightened wire hanger with a small hooked tip is useful for scraping the underside of the rim where holes are horizontal. And a bent tip about the size of a wooden toothpick allows you to pry out flakes without gouging. If using a vinegar soak, pour enough white vinegar into the bowl to submerge the rim and let it sit for at least 1 hour, then scrub with a soft bottle brush. For a tougher scale, repeat overnight and rinse thoroughly to remove acidic residue. After cleaning, run water and inspect flow from each rim hole and the siphon jet. Repeat targeted scraping where flow is still restricted, and always avoid forcing tools into holes to prevent chipping. Common mistakes include forcing oversized tools into rim holes, which can chip or crack the porcelain, so always start with the smallest tool and progress gently while checking for damage. Relying solely on bleach or household cleaners will not dissolve calcium carbonate effectively, so use white vinegar or a commercial descaler rated for ceramics and follow labeled dwell times. Overly aggressive metal scraping can leave sharp edges or pits that trap new mineral deposits. So finish with a soft bristled brush to smooth surfaces and flush thoroughly to remove debris. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical articles on maintenance tasks like hard water scale removal, so we help people find the right help for bigger jobs. We also offer a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and experiences, and we make it easier for contractors to find new projects and for homeowners to get real-world advice.